Hi, want to know how to insert SIM card into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to take these two things. Firstly, which is of course our SIM card, and then special pin, which also comes with your phone. Unfortunately, I don't have the original one, but all of the pins are similar. So, then we would need to take our phone and find the SIM slot, which is located on the left edge on your phone. Here's it how it looks, and you can notice that it has a little hole here. So to take out the SIM slot, we would need to take our pin and then just put it into this hole. And when you can feel that the pin is not going any deeper, we would need to push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this. As a next step, take it out with the help of your nails. And this is it. We have successfully taken out the SIM slot. Here's it how it looks, and you can see that it got 3 slots. So this slot is for a microSD card, which is not our case, and also 2 SIM cards. We can put, if you have only 1 SIM card, we can put it in any of these 2, it doesn't matter. So as you can see, the right side where to put your SIM card is this part with metal details, because the second side doesn't have any. So we would need to take this SIM slot facing the metals up and then just put our SIM card in. Here is it how it looks, and be careful because this SIM slot doesn't keep your SIM card and it can easily fall off. So after this, we would need to put the SIM slot back inside our phone, and to put it right, you need to remember that the metals should be facing you, which means that it should be facing the screen of your phone, and only like this it will go inside. Now we would need to fully close it, and this is it. We have successfully inserted SIM card into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. That was it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.